Well, let's not, deal with hypothetical situations.
That hypothetical situation, if that were to happen, will there be consequences for any TD who does vote against the legislation?
Well, clearly, every political party reaches decisions democratically, and then there's an onus on the members to accept and to implement those positions. If a member doesn't do that and it's purely hypothetical, then the party will deal with it.
Do you have confidence that all of your TDs are going to vote for this legislation and vote in line with
Well,
the
we
party
haven't even
position?
seen the legislation.
Vote with the party position.
Yeah, well, I would like to think so, but again, we'll see what comes out of that. But we haven't seen the legislation, and none of us can make up our mind. And when we see the legislation, we'll do exactly what we do on all of these issues. We will meet as a group, we will parse, we will thrash out, we will agree, and we will measure that against the given policy of the parties. So Sinn Féin, these other parties evolve entirely around the parliamentary group. We're wider than that. The Ardèche is where we decide what we're going to do about given issues. And on this we have a settled policy.